APEM washable products enable HMIs that are highly functional and easy to clean, with durable materials and sealing options that can withstand repeated exposure to disinfectants and other cleaning solutions. Products include a wide range of switches, joysticks, keypads, and LED indicators, with front panel sealing up to IP69K. APEM's washable switches include capacitive and piezoelectric options rated for 50 million cycles, push buttons with chemical-resistant membranes, and push buttons designed for use under an overlay in conjunction with our multi-mix switches. We also offer multi-directional switches and proportional joysticks, as well as keypads for extreme environments. Rubber sealing boots are available for many of our toggles, push buttons, and rocker switches, and provide an immediate sealing solution to new and existing applications without major design modifications.